How to grow your LinkedIn followers from 0 to 100 followers. Yeah, welcome back. You're watching ACIERO Down. Lesson is in session. LinkedIn following. Yeah, we all want to grow our LinkedIn page following. But how do you get from 0 to at least 100? I'm not talking about growing to thousands and thousands, because I have a theory on this channel where I talk about the M&M theory, the M&M's theory sweets. You know, that packet of sweets where you have all these colors and they're all inside, and you only want just the yellow ones. Now, I only want the yellow ones. Maybe you want the blue ones or the green ones or the brown ones, whatever color you want in that packet. So that's my theory. So how do you grow your first 100 followers on your LinkedIn company page? First of all, you have to identify what kind of audience you're looking for. And secondly of all, you also have to post relevant content to what your message is. Be consistent with your message. When you're consistent with your message, then the following will just come. So don't rush into things. And other thing, when you post, just keep on sharing the content you're posting. And third thing, what you may think about in growing that audience you want to grow on LinkedIn from 0 to 100. So once you grow your 100 followers, the 100 followers will bring you more followers. So first focus on the 100 followers. Make sure that they are the right audience you want, because from that audience you will gain other people, because when that audience is loyal, they will share your content, and other people who are interested in your content will start following you. So fourth tip, how to do it, is by getting engagement on your posts. When lots of people see your posts and also engage with your posts, they are willing to follow you as a company, or willing to follow you as a personal brand, whatever you are, whatever you want to be on LinkedIn, and they will keep on following you and liking your posts and continuously engaging with your posts, and that's how you can grow a following. So the other thing is, LinkedIn has a special feature built in where you can invite your connections to follow your company page. So you can also invite your connections. Imagine you have like 200 connections. You can invite maybe 50 you think they will have, but there's a limitation to that. You can only invite 25 people a day. So you have to do it, I think, you have to do it for 4 days in order to get 100. So if you get those people to follow you, but most of the time your connections are maybe not interested in what you offer, and maybe they're not the right audience. So you have to focus and make sure that it's the right audience you're inviting, because it's irrelevant if you're making content for the people who don't understand it and they're wondering, what is this, what is she doing, or blah. So you don't want that. You want to be relevant, you want people to convert, and you want to drive the right message to the right person. So that's what you have to focus on. The other thing is, you can also use paid advertising, and that's by doing an engagement ad. And when you do an engagement ad in your post, it also gives you the follow button, and people have an option to follow you as a company. So when they see your posts into the feed as a promoted post, so that's also an option to do. But I wouldn't advise that if you're just growing your first 100. Focus on the organic methods, and those are very powerful and they're better than paid methods. Yeah. The other thing you can also focus on is, if you have employees working for you, invite them to join the company page. Tell them to follow the company page. Tell them to be the ambassadors of your brand or your company, and tell them to follow what you're doing, and tell them to share the posts. They have the option to invite their connections to follow the company that they represent. So that's also another option. So ask your workers, ask your employees, tell them to follow your page, and ask them to ask their friends to follow your page too. And that's how you can grow your first loyal base subscribers from 0 to 100 followers. So I hope you learned something today, and I hope you're going to grow that company page from 0 to 100. And leave your comments below if you want more tips and tricks on how to shine on LinkedIn and how to get all the, you know what, the followers you want. And next time maybe there will be a video on how to grow from 0 to 1,000. Check out the other videos on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile and other videos too. So I hope you enjoyed, and that was it, and see you soon, and keep watching these videos. And for those of you who are new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support, and I'm happy that you're here. And see you soon. Bye.